What will happen if I modify a Python script while it's running? Imagine a Python script that will take a long time to run. What will happen if I modify it while it's running? Will the result be different?
Nothing, because Python precompiles your script into a Py file and launches that. However, if some kind of exception occurs, you may get a slightly misleading explanation, because line X may have different code than before you started the script.
When you run a Python program and the interpreter is started up, the first thing that happens is the following. The module sys_in_built-ins is initialized. The _main_ module is initialized, which is the file you gave as an argument to the interpreter. This causes your code to execute. When a module is initialized, its code is run, defining classes, variables, and functions in the process. The first step of your module, i.e. main file, will probably be to import other modules, which will again be initialized in just the same way. The resulting namespaces are then made available for your module to use. The result of an importing process is import a module, Python, object in memory. This object does have fields that point to the Py and Py content, but these are not evaluated anymore. Module objects are cached and their source never run twice. Hence, modifying the module afterwards on disk has no effect on the execution. It can have an effect when the source is read for introspective purposes, such as when exceptions are thrown, or via the module inspect. This is why the check if _name_equals=_main_ is necessary when adding code that is not intended to run when the module is imported. Running the file as main is equivalent to that file being imported, with the exception of _name_ having a different value. Sources. What happens when a module is imported? The import system. What happens when the interpreter starts? Top level components. What's the _main_ module? _main_ top level code environment.
This is a fun question. The answer is that it depends. Consider the following code. Try saving the above as /tmp/bad.py, then do cd/tmp and finally python 3 bad.py and see what happens. On my Ubuntu 20 system I see the output. So again, the answer to your question is it depends. If you don't do anything funky then the script is in memory and you are fine. But Python is a pretty dynamic language, so there are a variety of ways to modify your script and have it affect the output. If you aren't trying to do anything funky, then probably one of the things to watch out for are imports inside functions. Below is another example which illustrates the idea. Save as /tmp/modify.py and do cd/tmp and then python 3 modify.py to run. The fiddle function defined below simulates you modifying the script while it is running. If desired, you could remove the fiddle function, put in a time.sleep 300 at the second to last line, and modify the file yourself. The point is that since the show function is doing an import inside the function instead of at the top of the module, the import won't happen until the function is called. If you have modified the script before you call show, then your modified version of the script will be used. If you are seeing surprising or unexpected behavior from modifying a running script, I would suggest looking for import statements inside functions. There are sometimes good reasons to do that sort of thing, so you will see it in people's code as well as some libraries from time to time. Below is the demonstration of how an import inside a function can cause strange effects. You can try this as is versus commenting out the call to the fiddle function to see the effect of modifying a script while it is running.
Nothing, as this answer. Besides, I did experiment when multiprocessing is involved. Save the script below as x.py. After Python 3 x.py and after the first two hello being printed out, I modified hello to world and observed what happened. Nothing interesting happened. The result was still.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.